Hi friends, in this video I am going to show you the unboxing of Amazon Basics high-speed HDMI cable. I bought this HDMI cable to use it with my TV, and the length of this HDMI cable is 6 feet. You also get 3 feet cable. I have already bought the 3 feet length HDMI cable, but the length is not sufficient, so I got the 6 feet HDMI cable. The HDMI cable from Amazon Basics comes in this box. Here you can see that it is made in China. On the back you can see the MRP, it is mentioned 1400, but I got this cable for approximately 500 from Amazon. I will give the link in the description box. Please do check that. Without wasting any time, let's open the seal. Here is the HDMI cable. We get two cables in the box. Here is a 6 feet HDMI cable from Amazon Basics. It is a gold plated HDMI cable. Here you can see the gold plated HDMI cable. It lasts longer. You can connect this cable to your PS5 and you can play games. On the wire, if you can see properly, Amazon Basics high speed HDMI cable is printed. The quality of this wire is too good. You can check the reviews before buying. I will give the link. This is my second purchase of Amazon Basics HDMI cable. So that's it guys, here is a short unboxing video of Amazon Basics HDMI cable. Hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.